Hey guys, like Tex here. So, doing an exploration video for any of you who are interested in trucks and trains and all that. The 47th Street truck yard starts there, and then they also like to come up this way and past the viaduct is Fuller Park, and it's a 47th Street slash Canaryville slash 47th Street terminal. Because JB Hunt, I believe, has their trucks and all that at this terminal, because I know they're moving them. Sorry, I just got scared a little bit. This is risky. They were, and right there is City Tire on 47th Street. Yeah, you could see. And then if you walk up this stretch here, right there is this is the train yard entrance. So the train yard will go to the truck yard over there, but they still meet up. And then right there seems to be like an abandoned maintenance yard. And then the security cars, the security called the Broncos, also appear to come up there. And there's a great view of the Chicago skyline right here. And as you can see, the train's moving up there. Yeah. So, and then those train cars back there are abandoned, and you can see Sox Park, Old Comiskey back there, and you can see the skyline. And this way will take you to Fuller Park, Inglewood, and because over there on that side is Fuller Park. And then these are freight trains here, like CSX and all that. As you can see, they're stopping, so that ain't good. That means I probably have to get down. Yeah. There you can see the beautiful city skyline there. So yeah. Not going any farther than this. Yeah, you can see like the old railroad ties and all that. And occasionally the trains will sit here and idle from time to time. And from time to time the trains will sit here and idle. And the trucks like to come up here and load their it appears that they're like this stretch of track here is abandoned. No one they have not used this this part of track here in quite a while. So and then like they put a bunch of their scrap over there too. So shit. Excuse my language, folks. Sorry, this is very risky here. So kind of have to be careful because someone could call the cops on me. So I don't really want to do that at all. So yeah, this is the 47th Street exit or terminal for the CSX, JB Hunt, and Norfolk Southern, EMP, and this way will lead you to 43rd, 42nd Street there, and yeah. But so this borders Canaryville. This borders Canaryville, Fuller Park, Inglewood, and back of the yards. This is one of 3 terminals, I believe, where they house their trains. And now, excuse me. What I will do is now, like, somebody like me or somebody can't like use this stretch of alley, or you could, I don't know, because we're at 45th and Normal there. Maybe some people do, I don't know. But yeah, like right up there is where the trucks they're coming off of 47th Street, go into their terminal, and to use this this gateway to load their trucks and all that. So thought you guys might find that interesting. Right off of 47th Street, and over there you could see the hardware store, and I know over there is an abandoned shop. So I just thought maybe you guys will find this interesting. Peace.